On November 20th, I'm going to do a 90-minute workshop, which I've labeled Hyperspeed Modeling. The workshop is essentially to provide a sense of where I am and how I got here in terms of how I've managed to cut my modeling time from weeks and months to a mere hours. I will share all of the things that I have developed to date in terms of the Gemini gems, the way that I create the stories, the way that I create the models. And during the workshop, we'll actually go through and create some models and some stories so that you will notice that there aren't any smoke and mirrors. All of the stuff actually works. And as a participant in the workshop, you will get access to this repository that I've been creating called Wicked, WKID, which contains links to all of the stuff that I've created in the last month or so, along with the custom Gemini gems that show how I create the stories and look at stories to figure out what archetypes they represent and how to address them, how the predicament developed and how to deal with it. So it's essentially all of the nuts and bolts behind the scenes of what I've been doing for weeks. And there's a link in the note section of the video. The workshop is $25. And with that, you will get access to this repository as part of that. And because I'm processing the payments manually, once you go ahead and make the donation, it may take me up to 24 hours to respond, but I will respond and tell you that I have, in fact, received your donation and put you on the list for the workshop. And I will send a reminder 24 hours and 1 hour before the workshop. And when I send the reminder 1 hour before the workshop, I will include the URL for the Zoom session itself. So I look forward to seeing you there. I think it's going to be rather exciting. Take care. Bye.